And for the first time in history, you don't need a camera, you don't need confidence, and you don't even need to show your face. To start earning money online today, I'll show you how people are making real income with AI avatars, and how you can start right now. Imagine waking up, writing a simple script, and minutes later, your AI avatar delivers a professional video. Brands love this, businesses need this, and creators around the world are already getting paid. All you need is a laptop and the courage to begin. Businesses need constant content. They need product videos, they need ads, they need social media posts. AI avatars help them create this content fast and for less cost. And that's exactly where you come in. You can be the person who creates these videos for them. Step 1. Choose your niche. Start by choosing a niche. Fitness, skincare, tech gadgets, real estate, or even restaurants in your local area. Pick one lane and become the creator brand's trust. Step 2. Create your AI avatar. Use tools like HeyGen, VEED, or DID. Choose your avatar style, choose your voice. This becomes the digital version of you. You're a partner in content creation. Step 3. Write your script. You don't need to be a professional writer. AI can help you write simple and effective scripts. Your job is to guide the message and keep it clear and engaging. Step 4. Generate the video. Upload your script. Select your avatar. Click Generate. In just a few minutes, you'll have a clean, professional brand video ready to deliver. Step 5. How the money comes in. Start small. Create a few sample clips. Reach out to small businesses or local brands. Send a short message offering your AI video service. Start with $20 per video, grow to $50. Then 100美元. Then hundreds per month. This is simple. This is scalable, and right now, it's in demand. Everyone starts unsure. Everyone starts small, but only the brave take action. You don't need a studio. You don't need expensive gear. You just need commitment, creativity, and a desire to build something for yourself. If you don't start now, someone else will. AI is happening today, not tomorrow. Start learning, start creating, start earning. Your future self will thank you. The world is changing faster than ever.